Hey, if you want to improve sound quality of the JBL Live 770, first of all, I will highly recommend you to open the JBL headphones application and first of all, just try to use the sound equalizer. As you can see, you can find 6 default presets and you can just play some music and try to change between the presets and stay with this one that sounds the best for you. Also, you can create your own by tapping right here. Next, if you pick the equalizer preset that you like the most, you can scroll down and I can recommend you to turn on this smart audio and turn to the audio mode. Now when you click on this information icon, you can find short description that audio mode give you the best audio quality. And what might be also really useful for you, so you can actually create your own sound. By tapping here, you can perform the sound test and then you can simply save this results and get a little bit different sound experience. And in the last way, I will recommend you to open the sound settings of the Bluetooth, then click on the settings icon and find the AAC codec and be sure that it is actually turned on. So this is it for this video, the quick information for you. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.